everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for you. Yeah, it's snowing and nothing much to report, but I just wanted to send my love to all of you people who are not used to this. We have another snowstorm in the night. There's most snow we've had actually for the last several years. And as you know, I'm here in America, trying to climb over all the snow drifts. I'm here in America. We are here in America. And as you know, we are very prepared for the snow in our area. We're in Pennsylvania, as you know, trying to wipe the snow off. We're prepared. The boys are out with the snow blower and with the quad. The plows have already come and done our road here. But as you know, or if you've heard in the news, the state of Texas and across the Midwest, a swathe of people who don't have any electricity. It's going on the 4th day, I believe. In weather such as this, maybe not the snow right now, but freezing temperatures. And they're not used to it. They're not used to it. And I follow a Facebook page and a YouTube channel, and I'm going to share it with you. Maybe you've heard of him. He's called Lester Morrow, and it's the I'm a Survivor Donkey and Farm Sanctuary in Plum Grove, Texas. I-M-A. Maybe there was a video that went viral about 3 or 4 years ago. Hurricane Harvey. Hurricane Harvey hit Texas very, very hard. And this man, who was a hobby farmer, just had horses and cows and sheep and goats, just a hobby farmer. The video is him coming home to his property after having been evacuated, and he comes home, and his animals, all except 3, had died in the horror of the hurricane. And you see him coming down his long driveway, having lost all of his possessions, every single thing he owned. His home, his tractors, everything was under 6 foot of water with Hurricane Harvey. And he was assessing the damage coming down his long driveway after it was safe to go back to nothing. And here his pig, if you've seen the video, his pig comes swimming towards him, and he starts crying. And then there's his donkey, Imogene. That's who the sanctuary was named after. They've since tried to rebuild the sanctuary.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Well, I follow this page because he just has 2 new barns built, all through help, just with supporters from his YouTube page and from his Facebook page. And he's in, let me just turn this around to show you. Maxwell's up there in the background, and Ian trying to plow out. He is trying desperately to keep his animals warm. He has goats, and they always say how blessed they were. They just finished building a barn. Anyway, what am I saying? I'm just saying my love and my concern and our prayers are going out to the folks out there who are not used to this. This is so pretty up here. Oh, it's beautiful. Be careful what you wish for. They wanted snow at one point in time, and they got a small smattering, but now it's the freezing temperatures. It's a national disaster 4 or 5 days now without electricity in freezing temperatures. People have died. People are trying to keep warm in cars, let alone their animals. This man, his name is Lester Morrow, and his lady friend Jamie Walker, who is their partnership, the team. They're doing everything to keep their animals safe and warm. But I think it was very telling of the stress that this situation has wreaked on people. It's shocking to me. He has quite a few quite 100,000, 150,000 followers, I believe, on Facebook and on YouTube. And of course, he gets the trolls, the horrible people, who are saying, why didn't you prepare for this, and why didn't you do this, and why didn't you do that? You're not looking after your animals, and why don't you do this to your barn? They're not used to this weather. They haven't had it in 100 years. So it's always warm there. So people were horrible, and of course he monitors, or somebody in his family monitors the pages. And he's such a lovely man, and he's saying, you know, please don't, you know, at one point I could see him losing his temper a bit. You know, it's all very, you know, at horrible people who are saying these things. And I've had my fair share of nasty bits of people. And it's very easy for people to say, oh, ignore them. Oh, you know, they're trolls. They're nasty people everywhere. As I'm sure I've had people on my page say that. But when I've just had recently something, and I deleted it, of course, because I get the master copies quite quickly. And it's very easy for someone to say that. But and when you put, and I get it, you put yourself out on social media, you're fair game for anybody, you know, to take a pot shot at nasty, horrible people. I get that, evil, nasty people. But unless it's happened to you, think about how you would feel if somebody comes up, you're doing your best you can, you're just you, and someone comes up and spits in your face. Total stranger. Yeah. And I say, oh, shake it off. You know, we do shake it off. This man is trying to shake it off. I try to shake off the nasty comments, but when you get them, and you're thinking, what in the world? You know, what did I do to deserve that? Anyway, this dear man, he's trying to keep his animals safe. We're trying to keep safe. Maxwell is out with a quad. Ian is with the snowblower. Our neighbor up there is with the plows come through. It's very pretty here. We will have this cleared within a day or so. But I'm just making this video for what it's worth. Our thoughts and our prayers go out to our friends and our family around the world, whatever crazy weather conditions or you know, disasters. These things are happening more and more frequently. Going down to our bridge, it is obviously closed. I got so many nice comments on my covered bridge tour. Jen and I went out in Maxwell. It was lovely. And they are. Somebody said they're really good sports. I'm like, oh, they are. They're very, very good sports. They see the camera and they, you know, they choose for it. I can't go any further. Let me turn this around. Yeah, I absolutely can't go any further here. There's the big dumpster, the plow. As you can see, the township plow has plowed the road up to the foreclosed sign. Road closed. It's so funny, our road has now really become a dead end. Not too many people are turning around, but when we start getting traffic down, I'm like, oh no, it's going to be a busier road, even though it's a country road. So anyway, we are dealing with the snow right now. Oh, here comes our Maxwell. Hey, Maxwell. Yeah, he's doing the bottom of our driveway. We did move the van. We're going to now try to do the entire driveway. Dear Maxwell. Our other son came the other day. We needed something for the wood for our shop, and he bought the truck and dropped it off to us. So we're being taken care of, but again, you folks, who it's a matter now of survival. And yeah, we're praying hard for you all. And please keep So very easy to say, keep safe. We didn't have a pandemic, isolation, sheltering in place. now a natural disaster. Yeah, a natural disaster. So yeah, just thinking of you all and sending, for what it's worth, the true loves, and everybody just be kind. Be kind. There's enough horribleness in the world. You can't be kind. Somebody said, so nice that I have a channel which has fostered this lovely community. I'm very, very, very blessed. I'm very, very blessed. And I hope that my YouTube friends out there feel the same. So, again, Maxwell says hello. Bye-bye, everybody.
Get back to work.
So, Maxwell, thank you so much. How is it going? It is coming down.
Very cold.
You do your zip up on your top there, my man. Yeah. So is it easy? Is it a wet snow or a dry snow?
Easy snow.
It's easy snow. Yeah. It's very pretty.
Yes, at least if it was a hard wet snow, I'd be out here longer.
Yeah. But we moved the cars. We moved the cars. We moved the van and we moved the cars and Dad's car.
The wood pile's not really in a great position because plastic's on the floor. I'm going to run into the plastic.
Oh yeah, we have wood.
And there's possibly some tools on the ground what I may run into.
Okay, because we put the wood out on the driveway under a tarp. And we weren't expecting the second lot of snow, or this fourth lot of snow now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we got our quad. Maxwell is doing a grand job. What would we do without you, Maxwell?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yep.
See ya.
like a bird